What is the process to activate Spotify Premium Duo?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of activating Spotify Premium Duo. This is a great option that allows you and one other person living at the same address to enjoy all the benefits of Spotify Premium, but for a lower combined price. Let's dive right in.
What do you need to start?
To get started, you need a few things: an existing free Spotify account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. Access to the Spotify website. Spotify Premium Duo can't be activated through the app. A person who lives with you and also wants to share the Premium Duo plan. Remember, they must reside at the same physical address.
How to upgrade to Spotify Premium Duo?
Firstly, you need to log into your Spotify account on the Spotify website. Then, follow these steps. 1. Click on Premium at the top of the webpage. This will take you to Spotify's Premium Plans page. 2. Scroll down until you find the Premium Duo option and click on Get Duo. 3. Enter your payment details and complete the purchase process. After completing the purchase, you have successfully activated Spotify Premium Duo on your account.
How to invite your partner to join the plan?
Once you've activated Spotify Premium Duo on your account, the next step is to invite your partner. Here's how. 1. After the purchase, you will see a page that prompts you to send an invite to your partner. 2. Click on Invite with Link, or enter the email of your partner and Spotify will send them an invite. 3. Your partner will have to accept the invitation by following the link and associating their Spotify account with the Premium Duo subscription. Please note, if your partner already has a Spotify Premium account, they will need to accept the invitation and the remaining days of their individual premium will be refunded on a prorated basis. And that's it. You've now successfully activated Spotify Premium Duo. You and your partner can enjoy uninterrupted music with no ads and the ability to download and listen offline. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, sharing is caring, so enjoy your shared Spotify experience. Happy listening!